Good morning, guys. Perhaps you're wondering what kind of fruit is this. This fruit is, they call it cactus or cactus pears fruit. And this is it, the skin. Look at the skin, guys. That's it. And this one is contains of a lot of vitamins. Vitamin A, vitamin B, vitamin C, which is more on vitamin C. Antioxidant and collagens. Contain of antioxidant and collagens. And then small vitamins of B, vitamin B1, B2, B6, B9, and potassium, calcium, and magnesium. And some of the dietary fibers. There's a lot. So it's good good to boost your immune system. This one, there's a similar of, the, what kind of fruit was that? Dragon fruits. But I also tried the dragon fruits. The dragon fruits is tasteless, but this one is very sweet. That's why I like eating this fruit. See? It's so sweet and so good. That black, a little black that you see is a little bit seeds in it. This one. But you can eat that one because that is included in there. Anyway, thank you. Thank you for... And I just want to share to you guys, that's in case you want to try it. This is very good because it's complete vitamins. And most of all, it's good for your... It's good for you because not only you needed vitamin A, but also this one, it contains carotenoid, which is good for vision. So if you eat this one, like all the time, why buy vitamins tablet? You don't need to, because everything is completed already. Like vitamin D, vitamin A, everything is in here already. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. Hope you enjoy this video that I share with you this morning. Take care, guys. Bye now.